Why automate data entry?
Automating data entry saves time, reduces errors, and makes handling information easier for students and professionals. Whether you're tracking research, organizing expenses, or working with business inventories, automation frees you from repetitive tasks. This allows you to focus on analysis and decision-making rather than manual typing, leading to increased efficiency and fewer mistakes.
Free tools for easy automation.
Many free tools can help you automate data entry. Google Sheets, for example, supports formulas and simple scripts with Google Apps Script. Microsoft Excel offers basic macros in its free online version. Zapier and IFTTT provide automation between apps, allowing you to collect data from emails, forms, or web services without manual input.
Using Google Forms to collect data.
Google Forms is a user-friendly, free tool for collecting and organizing data automatically. Just create a form, share it, and responses will automatically populate a connected spreadsheet. This is ideal for survey responses, project logs, or research data, eliminating the need for manual entry while keeping information organized and searchable.
Optical character recognition. Scan to spreadsheet.
The optical character recognition, or OCR, converts printed or handwritten text into digital data quickly. Free tools like Microsoft Lens or Google Keep let you scan receipts, notes, or printed tables and export them to spreadsheets. OCR automation is especially useful when you need to digitize paper records for further processing.
Practical tips for effective automation.
Start simple. Automate repetitive, time-consuming tasks first. Regularly check your automated processes to ensure accuracy. Always back up your data before trying new tools. Maintain clear spreadsheet structures using consistent headers and formats. For more complex needs, explore free online tutorials to learn basic scripts or workflow automations tailored to your work.